vision, bahang-bahan ng lahat ng magagamit para ikaw naman ang susunod na aawardan. But to proceed with this, just like you to give some updates, as your chairman of AIM Global Group, and let's see it. A week ago, we launched our new official logo of AIM Global Group of Companies. We'd just like to give you the meaning around, the color around our newest logo. It has blue that connotes influence, it connotes professionalism, it means trust, okay? For the past 19 years, you've been trusting us. For the past 19 years, we are both growing. Maraming umasenso, maraming nagtagumpay, maraming tuloy-tuloy na nagtatagumpay. As a proof of the pudding, nakita nyo naman yung mga inawardan kanina. Most of them nakakatuwa from Visayas area. Mag-ingay naman ng mga taga-Visayas! Sino mag-aakalang ang negosyo na nagsimula sa Metro Manila, ngayon ay magiging napakalakas sa Visayas region? Grabe. Our colors, blue and green. Green connotes wellness. It connotes growth. Everybody say growth. Ibig sabihin, lumalago ka. Lumalago as a person, lumalago as a businessman. You're growing as an entrepreneur and hopefully very soon as an investor. Ayan. Meron tayong swoosh. Parang yung sa Nike. May swoosh. It could be perceived as a leaf or dahon. It could be perceived as a wave. It means transformation or transforming. Why? Because we are transforming lives. Binabago natin yung buhay. Health-wise, for the better. Binabago natin yung buhay, economically, financially speaking, for the better. Pwede rin siyang ituring na wings. Because with this swoosh, you are now ready to transform and fly. Pwede kang lumipad sa mga pangarap mo. Ano man yung pangarap mo, pwede mong liparin. Hindi siya buntot. Wings siya, wings. So when you combine all of this, okay, from A to the next G, na nandun din yung globe, it means we are touching people's lives worldwide, globally. We're transforming health for the better. We're transforming their lives financially, economically for the better. And based on a sans serif, the font, okay, na very corporate, yan yung original nating logo, na font, by the way, yung nasa ilalim, which means a global group of companies, which means grounded tayo sa base, yung original vision, yung original mission ng company, which is to transform lives into an extraordinary life. So kung ikaw member ngayon, it only means you are an agent of transformation. Ikaw mismo magta-transform ang buhay mo. Handa ka na ba nun? So yan yung logo natin. Yung swoosh, umaabot sa first G, may second G that means group. Everybody say group. When you form a group from one or from an individual, it becomes a group, it becomes better. From one force, it becomes multifactorial o multifocal. Mas dumadami, mas lumalakas pag nagiging grupo, mas nagiging exponential yung growth, mas dumadami yung market na nilalaro natin as compared to before na beauty, health, and wellness na. Now we have digital insurance, now we have franchise division, and very soon 2 to 3 more divisions that we will be launching this year or probably early next year. So with this newest logo, ito na yung gagamitin natin ngayon sa mga posters, sa mga videos. Kaya nga kung hindi ka man gumagamit ng ating profile sa Facebook, you can download it, you can use it. So this is the birth of AIM Global Group. So we will be known as AGG. Kaya mamaya pag sumigaw tayo sa dulo, lalo na yung mananalo ng 1 million.
Yay!
Ang isisigaw mo, AGG.
AGG!
like to give you some update with our Alpha East Franchise Corporation with our Matching Glow brand. We already have 11. Everybody say 11! We have 11 stores. 3 company-owned. Ayan, meron tayo sa head office, Pateros and Cainta. And we also have 8 franchise-owned sa Quezon City, Iloilo, Pasig, Samar, Cebu, Pampanga, Mindoro, and Laguna. Some of which nakatayo na, some of which iniintay pang magtayo.